Okay, the next area that we're going to talk about is the pronoun feature that has been added to D2L Brightspace. So all users can now set their preferred pronouns for their profile card under account settings. A profile card is sort of a mini version of a profile that appears when you hover over a user's profile picture. And currently, you can see profile cards in assignments and discussions, and D2L has said it will be expanding to more places in the future. So to set your pronouns, you go to your name in the top right-hand corner, and then you're going to go to Account Settings. And under Account Settings, you're going to look for this area here that says Pronouns. You're going to check the box to say Allow others to see my pronouns, and then you're going to set your pronouns here. So set your pronouns, and then you just simply click Save and Close. And then from the two places that you can see the pronouns will be discussions and assignments. So let's take a look at assignments first. So as assignments, only you as a teacher would be able to see the profile card since other students can't see what other students hand in. So an example here is, we'll go through this assignment here, and then we have this student here, Des, has set their pronouns there. So you can see them listed there. You can see what a profile card looks like. It shows a profile picture, it shows the student's name, their status if they're online or offline, their preferred pronouns, a quick way to email or instant message them, and then also a quick link to their user progress. You can also add something called a tagline here through your profile. Okay, so this is how you see the profile cards and the pronouns in the assignments area. If we go back now to the discussions area, this is where you, you and the students can see the pronouns. So over here we have two recent posts, and you can see again the profile cards are showing. This was recently added to the discussion area, was the profile pictures and the profile cards. So you can see here the cards, when you hover over them, it shows again that same card, and then same thing from the teacher. So you can see the teacher has now added their pronouns as well. If we go into a actual discussion thread, so let's click this one here. Again, you see the profile picture, you hover over it, you see the profile card, and then here's another student, and you can see this student has not set their pronouns. So I just wanted to show you this as an example of one that does not have the pronouns set. Okay. So D2L has said that also in the future, the mentions should also be popping up the profile card. That they said that would be coming in the future. And then they said that the whole feature of using more of the profile pictures and the profile cards will show up throughout more of the different areas in D2L Brightspace. So keep in mind that you and the students can see them under discussions, and that under assignments, it's just you that can see them. When you assess a discussion topic, you can also see them because the discussion evaluation format is the same as the assignment evaluation format as well. So you can see here's the profile card. So it helps you when you are assessing, because if you need a quick refresher, if you want to use pronouns in their feedback, it allows you to know which their preferred pronouns are when you go and you provide them feedback here.